You ever heard of that saying, don't poke the bear? Well, that's what the Premier League have done with Everton Football Club. Stick around in this video and I will explain all. Hello, my name's John from the stadium, and today we're going to be discussing Everton Football Club, the points deduction that's happened, and the latest form and the atmosphere that's been in Goodison recently. If you do like content like this, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave any comments in the comment section below, and also like and share the video with your family and friends as well. So let's dive in. 2, 3, 4 weeks ago, Everton were giving a history-making punch deduction from the Premier League. They were deducted 10 points for breaching financial fair play rules. They overspent by £19.5 million. They were allowed to spend 105. They were allowed to have a discrepancy of £105 million over 3 seasons, and they went over that. It's as simple as that. Everton have, they've admitted it. They've even assisted with the inquiry. They've given any information. There's no hiding from it. They've overspent. They should be punished in some way. 10 points seems a bit excessive. I haven't seen one football pundit or one, fan of even other clubs, even Jamie Carragher, who's obviously connected heavily to Liverpool Football Club. Even he was like, what's going on here? Anyway, we all know it's excessive, and Everton Football Club have put an appeal in, which is ongoing at the time of this recording. So, what I'm talking about today is, I think this points deduction has been an absolute blessing in disguise. So I've been going to Goodison Park on and off. I used to have a season ticket for the Park End for a number of seasons. Had to give it all for work commitments, and I get to a game when I can. So the past few seasons, a lot of the games have been to disjointed performances, passive performances from the team. The fans getting on the players' backs, and it's just all being like disjointed is probably the best way to describe it. And I would say at times toxic, touching on toxic maybe. About 10 years ago, I'd say 2013, Roberto Martinez not long been in. Romelu Lukaku had just signed on loan in that season. I had my season ticket in the Park End, and every game, Goodison would be bouncing. Everyone would be like it was like it's like a unit. It was just like a unit. Everyone was pulling. The staff, players, fans, everyone was pulling in that same direction. And then Farhad Moshiri has came and took over. And just in my personal opinion, I think that the club each season seems to be getting progressively worse. Progressively worse. The managers we've had, the quality seems to be going down and down and down. And if you have a look at a squad, I mean, I'll put one on the screen. if you have a look at it, I'll pick a random game and show you a squad from 2013 and then a squad from like 2 years ago, and you'll be able to see the difference. Anyway, sorry, I'm just rambling on now. The point of this is 10-point deduction. Obviously, everyone has been a bit shocked by it, and what have you. So obviously there's been a backlash from Everton fans, protests at games and stuff like that. But the point of this actual video is, I don't want to say the Premier League have done Everton a favour, because, obviously they haven't. But I just think that injustice and severity has lit the fire back. It's lit the fire back where the staff, the players, even the stewards, all the fans, it's back. It's back to that unit, I think. I went to the Chelsea game recently, and it's back to that unit that we once had, where everyone's pulling in the same direction. The fans, not the fans, the players are actually playing out of their skin now. The manager's got them set up where it's very hard to break down, and we're now seeing the quality that Doucouré and McNeil have actually got. Because it's mad to think a couple of seasons ago, bar a couple of players, this is the same group of players. Bar a couple of additions here and there, it's the same group. So I think hats off have to go to Sean Dyche as well. The manager. I'm in a lot of Everton groups on Facebook, as you probably know. And, a few games ago, 5, 6, 7 games ago, they were like, let's get Sean Dyche out the club. Why? Why would you do that? And I'm glad they haven't, because now it's coming to fruition. And Everton are a team they're on the rise, and they've got that momentum. And I do think it has all stemmed from this point deduction. We were just bobbling along before this happened. We were doing okay. But I just think this point deduction that's happened, and the way it's happened, has lit a major fire under this football club. And it's a fire that's not going to go out anytime soon. What do you think? What do you think about what I've said today? If you do have any comments about this, leave them in the comment section below, and I will reply to them. So next Bramley-moore update, it's the 12th of December today. So a next Bramley-moore update will be out tomorrow, the 13th of December. So look out for that. Until then, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you soon.